Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, the place where we explore the most exciting vehicles and mobile living experiences from around the world. Today we are diving deep into the 2026 NeXus Verrado, a luxury Class C motorhome that blends smart engineering, premium comfort, and practical space in a way that feels both modern and purposeful. If you are curious about how much space you really get, how well the features are thought out, and whether this motorhome fits a luxury on-the-road lifestyle, this full review is for you. The first impression of the 2026 NeXus Verrado is confidence. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, it has a strong road presence without looking bulky or awkward. The exterior design feels clean and upscale, with smooth lines and well-integrated storage compartments that do not interrupt the overall look. Large side windows immediately hint at a bright and open interior, and the overall proportions suggest that NeXus focused heavily on maximizing usable living space rather than just exterior styling. Step inside and the sense of space becomes very clear. One of the biggest strengths of the Verrado is how open it feels the moment you enter. The ceiling height is generous, allowing most people to move around comfortably without feeling boxed in. The slide-outs play a major role here, expanding the living area significantly when parked. With the slides extended, the central living space feels closer to a small apartment than a traditional RV, making it ideal for longer trips or full-time travel. The living area is designed to be both comfortable and functional. Seating is well cushioned and positioned in a way that encourages relaxation without wasting floor space. Whether it is a sofa or theater-style seating depending on the layout, the materials feel premium and durable. Large windows surround the living space, allowing plenty of natural light during the day and offering excellent views when parked in scenic locations. At night, soft LED lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere without being harsh or overly bright. Moving toward the kitchen, the Verrado continues to impress with its smart use of space. The kitchen layout is practical, with enough counter space to prepare real meals instead of just quick snacks. Solid surface countertops add a premium feel and are easy to clean, which is essential for life on the road. Storage cabinets are placed both above and below the counters, and they are deep enough to hold cookware, groceries, and essentials without feeling cramped. The appliances are modern and well-sized, including a residential-style refrigerator, a microwave, and a stove that makes cooking while traveling genuinely enjoyable. The dining area is positioned conveniently near the kitchen, making it easy to serve meals and transition between cooking and relaxing. Depending on the configuration, you may find a dinette that can also convert into an extra sleeping space. This flexibility is one of the Verrado's strongest features, as it allows the motorhome to adapt to families, couples, or solo travelers with ease. One of the most important aspects of any motorhome is the bedroom, and the 2026 NeXus Verrado delivers a calm and comfortable sleeping area. The bed is generously sized, providing proper support for a good night's rest after long driving days. Surrounding storage options include wardrobes, overhead cabinets, and side shelves, allowing you to organize clothing and personal items efficiently. The bedroom feels private and quiet, separated well from the main living area, which is especially important if you are traveling with others. The bathroom in the Verrado is another area where space and functionality come together nicely. Instead of feeling like an afterthought, the bathroom is designed for real usability. The shower is spacious enough to move comfortably, with good water pressure and quality fixtures. A proper vanity with storage underneath ensures that toiletries and towels can be stored neatly, and ventilation is well handled to keep the space fresh and dry. Beyond the visible living areas, the 2026 NeXus Verrado includes thoughtful features that enhance daily life on the road. Climate control is efficient, keeping the interior comfortable in both hot and cold conditions. Insulation and construction quality help reduce outside noise, making the interior quieter and more relaxing whether you are parked at a campsite or resting during a stopover. Technology features such as modern control panels allow you to manage lighting, temperature, and systems easily without confusion. Storage is another highlight of the Verrado. Exterior storage compartments are large and well organized, making it easy to carry outdoor gear, tools, or travel essentials. Inside, every corner feels purposefully designed, with storage solutions integrated into furniture and walls. This attention to detail makes long-term travel far more comfortable, as clutter is easier to manage. Driving comfort is also worth mentioning. Even though this review focuses on space and features, it is important to note that the Verrado is designed to feel stable and confident on the road. The driving position is ergonomic, with good visibility and intuitive controls, reducing fatigue on long journeys. This balance between driving comfort and living comfort is what makes the Verrado stand out in its class. Overall, the 2026 NeXus Verrado feels like a motorhome built for people who truly want to live in their RV, not just take occasional weekend trips. The space is open and thoughtfully arranged, the features feel premium without being excessive, and the overall experience is one of comfort, practicality, and modern design. Whether you are planning extended road trips, family adventures, or even full-time RV living, the Verrado offers a well-rounded package that is hard to ignore.